YouTube, bruh, man. Without further ado, so today, man, I hope you guys doing well. So I'm gonna start with today's match analysis ticket. I know I didn't post it on the channel. Wi-Fi was tripping, but I did post it on the free groups. As you can see, if I slide to one of this is my VIP group, it actually does exist, your fulmination. So let me show you here from the VIP group. So today in the VIP group, let me quickly show you, boys. Okay, so it's lagging. Sorry about that, nation, but it's a bit laggy. My old laptop burned out. Not old, my new laptop burned, so I'm trying to get it fixed. Okay, so as you can see, first of all, we took a W on this ticket. This nation over here was it was like 8 teams for this one. As you can see, only one team took us out, man. It was 40 odds. So tomorrow we're coming back. Make sure if you want to join for tomorrow's ticket, hit me up. Like you see my brother over here, he want to join VIP group. Make sure, man, you secure your spot. Some people are saying thank you cause bruh, man, we winning, we late, man. Make sure you check me out. My number's gonna be in the description of the video for VIP groups. So without further ado, man, man, we took a W. Make sure you smash that like button. Let's try and get this video to 100 likes, nation, man. We lead. So if we get this video to 100 likes, I promise you, bro, nation, I promise you, man, we're gonna be lit for the whole week. Every video I am gonna be posting daily. We're gonna be lit for this whole week. So all you have to do is make sure you smash the like button, man. Smash the subscribe if you're new, bro. Let me check if we're still rolling. Yeah, we're rolling. So today I'm gonna give you tomorrow's match analysis. We back to our winning ways. Make sure you smash that like button, man. Keep working out. I'm working the best that I can to deliver to you guys, man. We lead, nation, bro. So fair and do, let's get on to tomorrow's game. So tomorrow is Sunday, so I'm gonna go for 10 odds of 5 teams. We'll see which one as we go along. So okay, so we've got a lot of teams playing tomorrow. So Atletico Madrid is for today. Excuse me, nation, bruh. Forgive you, bruh. So we're gonna start with Burnley versus Liverpool. I'm saying, nation, bruh. Start with Burnley versus Liverpool. So I'm still receiving messages on my phone. People wanna join VIP, man. Make sure you secure your spot, bruh. Hurry up, man, before the VIP group goes full. I ain't scamming, bruh. We legit, man. Guys, we've been in this YouTube since last year. We've been winning. Then 2021 was not the greatest year, but it was not that bad. But this year, man, we back, house fixed, man, stress free. All I have to do is get a new laptop and we late, but I'm gonna make use of what I have. Nation, man. I'm motivated, but I'm back to my winning. As long as, man, I'm back at my house, don't have to pay no rent, bro. We late, man. We late. So let's see. Just gotta pay for my Wi-Fi. Okay, so let's see, nation. Oh, still receiving some messages, bro. Let me quickly close this over here. Saying, nation. Okay. Let me quickly close this. Sorry about that. I know it's like 2 minutes of your time wasted. So let me hurry up this match analysis. Okay, so we've got Liverpool over here, saying, bruh. Liverpool, man, we slide over here. Okay, so I'll go with Liverpool Burnley under 4.5, man. We lead, bro. We lead. So hopefully it's more odds, so we can suck the market dry. But for VIP tomorrow, I think we're gonna go for 50-60 odds. I know it depends, because if I'm looking at these games, bro, these are nice games, what I'm saying, bro. So maybe not. We just have to see, because sometimes it's not about the game, but the quality of the match analysis. Newcastle versus Aston Villa. Coutinho. I remember Coutinho destroyed my ticket. I remember there was one team left, 74 odds, and this guy scored an equalizer and assisted. So Manchester United, it was a draw. I said Manchester United straight win. So this guy destroyed my ticket, but man, Sometimes it's not about how many times you fall, but how many times you get up. So as you can see, Coutinho should be in the starting lineup, and he's the one with the highest rating, you know what I'm saying? So let's look out for this. So let's go with you know what I'm saying, bruh, Aston Villa. Trying to check this out, bruh. Aston Villa 3-3 versus Leeds United. So let's go with Aston Villa or Newcastle over 1. So I know it's gonna be over 1. So if we check again, we should go with, I believe, Aston Villa or draw over 1.5, because if we go over here, 2020 they've been winning, they have been beating Newcastle. So actually it's gonna be under 4.5. Sorry about that, nation. Under 4.5. Remember, we bet based on our analysis, not based on what we feel or what we think is gonna happen. We bet on what history is telling us to bet on. So this is one of the mistakes many of us make when we doing this match analysis, is we allow our emotions to take over, which is not right. So nation, man, you know we lead. So okay, man, you know we lead, bro, you know we lead. So this is our third team, should be done in under 7 minutes, you know what I'm saying, bro? So I ain't wanna waste your time. You know, sometimes it sucks, bro, somebody's talking on the microphone, you're listening, man. But I'ma make this match analysis fun. Comment down a creative way in which we can make this match analysis more fun and more engaging. I wanna hear some ideas. So maybe the one with the best ideas gonna win like a voucher from me or something. So comment down, bro. I promise you, man, I'll deliver. I don't make fake promises. I'll give you maybe 100 rand voucher or something. I'm going to add you for free in the VIP group. So comment down, bro. Okay, so Tottenham. Okay. So Wolverhampton can actually beat Tottenham. We all know that. So Tottenham lost against Southampton. It was over 1.5. So we should expect this match to be over 1.5. But the question is, do we have Tottenham or draw over 1.5? Hopefully Tottenham doesn't disappoint us, because if we look at this, it's mostly over 1.5. Okay, all right, sharp. Hopefully Tottenham does not disappoint us, nation. Okay, up next we have got Leicester City versus West Ham, bruh. This is a tough one, but you know, man, we're cracking this nut. You know what I say? We're cracking this nut, bruh. For real. Back, man. Energy, everything, man. We back, we Leeds, bruh. We back, we Leeds. Just a little bit sleepy. But damn, man, you know, it's all about focus. What you really want. Why are you betting? It's all about that, man. And why you should join my match analysis on the VIP group. Just play. Okay, so over 1.5 confirmed. Leicester City or West Ham over 1.5. We all knew that was coming. Come on now. We all knew that was coming, bruh. Okay, so I think we should be able to close in around let's see, maybe we should be able to close in around 9 odds, 10 odds. So the rest of the match analysis, these ones you see over here, we just need 4 more for 40 plus odds. We should be lit because we have Barcelona playing AC Milan and Poli. We should be lit in the VIP group tomorrow. So make sure, man, if you wanna join, hit me up early in the morning, man, before this match analysis start, or the tickets, because as you can see, most of the games are starting at 4:30 or 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock, yes. First game is starting at 4 o'clock. So make sure you hit me up and you're ready before 4 o'clock, man, on my WhatsApp number. It's gonna be in the description of the video. I can also call it out. +27 067-347-8355. Make sure you hit me up and be specific on what you want, because I get a lot of DMs. Be specific. Okay. 42. Okay, Tottenham or the other team, bruh, you already know it's over 1,5. If that's too less odds, we're gonna go with over 2,5. Okay, doable. So we should have 9.81 odds, man. You know, we lead tomorrow also in the VIP group, man. Nation, hopefully you enjoyed this video, man. Without further ado, remember to hit me up. We go.